This video showed you how to boost processor speed instantly. Well, let's get started with this video right now. First, let's create a good power plan. You can see I have a power plan by Dell and the balance, but still you can create an ultra power plan for any of your computers. And if you are a laptop user like me, then you should have a thermal management software. For example, here is the Dell Power Management for me, or even an Alienware setting stuff. If you are the Acer user, you should have a NitroSense or any other laptop to have a power management system. So from this thermal management system software, you can just boost using ultra setting just like this. Also, check my description for command that actually activate the ultimate power plan for any laptop or computer. So let's create a power plan. Creating a power plan is simple. Just copy the command that I have given to you and open the command prompt as an administrator and simply paste command and hit enter. Now go back to the power option and check it once again. It should show you the ultimate performance for you. Now edit your ultimate performance to boost your processor. Go to processor power management tab and set those all to 100% just like I have done here. Next few things to be done in services is to disable the Windows Surge and sysmain. Open run by pressing Windows plus R, type services.msc. By disabling these two services, you can see more improvement on your computer and major thing change in your DISC and CPU uses by doing this. If you have faced the 100% DISC and CPU bottleneck or throttle, then disabling these both services will instantly help you out. And don't worry, your search will just still work. It just index and de-index the search phrases, which will definitely help you searching the files and folder better and faster. Also open up the run and type msconfig. Now it should show you and open up the system configuration where we can set up for boosting our processor. Now go to advanced option and check the number of processor and select the highest possible number from 2 to whatever else that you have, the numbers. Just click on apply and restart your computer to take it effectively. Next thing is type background apps in search bar and open up the menu and disable it. Then go to storage setting and then click on clean now. After you've done that, also click on optimize drives, then click on optimize and it should optimize your SSD or HDD. Now open up this PC, then right click on C drive and go to the properties, then click on disk cleanup. And also make sure to click on the system file as well. Now this will scan all of the clutter and junky file that you guys never needed. So just click on OK and you guys are done. Once again, right click and properties on this PC, then go to the system properties, then click on advanced, choose the best performance and also go to advanced tab to set the paste file. So here you can double the size of RAM, else you can set to system set. For me, system set paging file work fine, so I'm just going to leave it here. Also, you guys can check that my processor best speed is 2 GHz and check this out. It's running almost 4 GHz, which is really great. Make sure to restart your computer to see these changes. Also, I would recommend a full scan from your Windows Defender just to prevent your system from virus, which lead to critical problem by slowing down your computer or bottlenecking your processor. And CCleaner is the go-to program for your computer or laptop just to clean messy and junk file instantly, and it does more than cleaning junk files. Yes, you can download this software for completely free because it have a free version and trial version. So just stick with free version, it's good for you. and you guys are good to go. For more awesome tutorial like this, please check this playlist, card, description, or in cards. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned, guys, how you can boost the processor speed, and I'm really glad to see you guys helped. So in return, can you guys give this video a thumbs up? Let's aim for 50 likes today, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content just like this. It's Lifehacks signing out. Peace.